Before connecting the power cable, make sure that the input voltage is selected according to your location. Then plug in the power cable to the amplifier and to a power socket. Connect the BNC connector of the foot switch to the remote TTL low connector at the rear panel of the amplifier. Connect the D-sub connector of the headstage to the high voltage output connector at the front panel of the instrument. Secure the connector with its thumb screws. Connect the model cell to the BNC connector of the headstage and lock it in place. Switch on the amplifier at the power button and let it warm up for about 45 minutes.